Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Teacher Jamal, and today we are starting a new series. So some of you have started to register for SMO, Singapore Math Olympiad, and some of you have seen the questions and have said, the questions, they're so scary. It's so hard to solve. How to solve them? Well, no worries. So it's the start of a new series where we'll bring you through a full guided solution for one question per video. And today it's on power reduction. So let's have a look at the question. Oh, this is a 2024 paper, round 1, question 1, very recent. Let's have a read at the question. If x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals to 0, what is the value of x cubed? Oh, so we see that x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals to 0. This is an equation. And some of you who have learned algebra will see, when you find an equation, the first instinct is to solve it, right? Or find the value of x. And we can see, to find x cubed, we can just cube it. But if you look closely at this equation, you realize, there's a square. And most of us have not learned how to solve this before. This is called a quadratic equation. And even if you know how to solve for a quadratic equation, you can see this is a very challenging quadratic equation to solve. So, how else can we find the value of x cubed? Let's have a close look at what the question is saying. It says the value of x cubed. So, it's given we want x cubed, which is a variable or a letter, and even it's to the power of 3. Quite a high one. And we want to find the value. This value, what should the answer be? It should be in the form of a number with no variables. Or we can also say we want x to the power of 0, right? No variables. And we're trying to go from x cubed to x0. So what we are trying to do here, and our goal is to go from a bigger power down to a smaller one, right? So our goal, let's write it down, is to reduce the power. And how should we reduce the power? So it's given that x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals to 0. There's 3 terms here. And if you look at x squared, actually it is just the negative of 4x plus 16. Right? 4x plus 16 negative of it. So let's write it down. If this is equals to 0, then x squared is actually equals to negative 4x minus 16. And see what we've done here. We have went from a power of 2 to a power of 1. Right? The variable from 2 to 1. So, we want to find the value of x cubed. Can I get it from x squared? We can just multiply another x. So, to get x cubed, it's actually x squared multiplied by x. And we know the value of x squared. So what should we do? We can substitute it in. So if we substitute in x, so we have x squared is negative 4x minus 16. This is multiplied by x. And when we open the brackets or expand, we get negative 4x times x, negative 4x squared, negative 16 times x, we get negative 16x. And see what we've done here. We have went from a power of 3 and we have going down to a power of 2, right? The highest is power of 2. Looks like we have fulfilled our goal to reduce the power. But remember, we want to go all the way to no variables, 0. So what should we do here again? Since we substituted once already, we can just do it again. Great. Let's substitute back. We have negative 4 of negative 4x minus 16. And we have another negative 16x. And when we expand, we have negative 4 times negative 4x, we get 16x. And negative 4 times negative 16, we get negative positive, negative positive of 64. And we have a negative 16x here. And we can just see 16x minus 16x like terms, we are just left with a 64. And voila, we have solved the question. Wow, so fast and efficient. Let's have a quick summary of what we did here. Remember, because we want to find the value of a variable with a high power, so what we're trying to do here is to take the high power and bring it down. So in summary, if you want to find for the value of a variable with a high power, you should focus on reducing the power through power reduction. To find it with high power, you reduce it using substitution. Okay, let's see if you know how to apply what we've learned today. So you can try out this practice question. So try out this question, leave your answers in the comment section below, or you can also just send your answer in our WhatsApp group chat up above. Okay, this is a WhatsApp study group. If you want to share your answer or ask about a new question, you can feel free to contact us for free secondary math guidance and also ask for free materials. Okay, if not, my personal WhatsApp and WeChat are also there for you to contact if you need me. And do please subscribe to our channel below because we share many more videos. This is just the first video of a new series on some SMO questions. If not, I'll see you next time. Teacher Jeremiah out. Bye bye.